Hey Biddy, so we're gonna be going to the beach today, a slight beach trip or whatever. Hey guys, good morning. So right now it's currently 8:04 and I haven't slept. Of course, my sleeping schedule is so messed up. But hey Biddies, so right now I'm currently going to McDonald's. I never eat McDonald's. I don't know why I decide to vlog the day that I do, but I'm just super hungry and it's like breakfast time and I will only eat McDonald's breakfast. Like fire. Is it recording? So right now we're currently at In-N-Out. I was hungry. I have not ate all day. The only time I ate was in the morning and my brother made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Can you order me a small lemonade?
A small lemonade? Yeah, and then can I add what did you want?
A small lemonade.
A small lemonade to that? Yeah. So we have In-N-Out. It's gonna be a car mukbang or whatever. Look at the sun though, like. My skin looks so good.
Your skin does look so good. I'm done.
Should I play Flavors Summer Edition?
That's the edition, summer edition?
Yeah, number 5. That's the summer edition.
We've been stuck on number 4, huh? Or 3?
Yeah, number 4. Too cocky for my shirt. I'm too cocky off 2 perks. I'm too cocky, I know mine. What I really, really want. Don't tell me what I want, what I really, really want. I wanna really, really, really want. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever.
Welcome back, biddies. We're here.
Welcome back. So
After traveling hours only.
Hours. Literally hours.
we took so long to get over here to Santa Monica.
The
Or
weather's
like
so pretty,
to
though.
Venice or whatever. Yeah, it feels nice. My baby suit is from Windsor.
So cute.
So we finally got to
Venice, Santa Monica.
beach or whatever. So I took off my shoes because I was sliding. I should have brought different shoes because I brought slides, so I was sliding in the slide. Okay, but this red sunlight, like look at how good it makes my skin look.
Your skin looks so good.
And I have not ate all day and it's 12:14. Like what the heck? I don't know, I just wasn't hungry today. Like I need to stop doing that. We at In-N-Out right now with Rick or whatever.
Hey biddies.
Hey biddies.
They did not. He did not.
Disgusted.
They're so ugly too.
I just been so inspired to like go towards my dreams so I could buy my family a house. Okay, tell me why I got a milkshake and a pink lemonade. Like for no reason. Just because I wanted both.
Like that's how you know you're just being extra.
Like
I do that all the
did
time.
not need to do that. And my mom used to get so mad because like we would go to Starbucks and I would come out with 2 drinks because sometimes I was craving a tea and sometimes I was craving a frappe. Like
Bitch me.
so I would come out with 2 drinks and she'd be like, oh my god, do you really need to do that? And I was like, yeah, I wanted both. Like mixing different drinks, like I don't know, that's just so fire to me. Like fire, like that tastes so good. Like y'all don't even know. Ooh, let me get a fry. And we also got some food. I got some fries. I never get fries.
Really?
I just have hella munchies because I didn't eat all day.
Take 1,000.
We've been trying to hang out with Shannon all day.
No,
See,
all week.
This is what I mean by linkophobia. Shannon Duff has major linkophobia. First of all, why are you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. Tell me that is not bomb. Oh.
Like, your battery's not gonna die. You have a brand new ass car.
Fire. I need to go to LA right now. I'm actually gonna drive out there right now, but I'm just gonna do like something very quick, like a quick get ready with me. I want to say this one's gonna be like a realistic get ready with me. So but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I really get ready. So I just sit on my vanity or whatever. So even just running the straightener through my hair really quick makes like the biggest difference. I'm gonna be using the Manny MUA palette. If you're an OG makeup person, you know that this palette was so hard to get a hold of, and look at how beat up mine is. But this palette is literally everything still. Like, I really love this palette. And it's super pretty. Hella fallout, but super pretty. I've never seen the train pass right here. What the heck? I don't know if y'all can see it passing. It's McDonald's. So this could be like a little car mukbang. Mukbang? Is it mukbang? Mukbang. Someone let me know, please. I kind of forgot what else I ordered because everyone at McDonald's was being super rude this morning. And I have not slept like at all. Like, I just stayed up from the night, and it's right now 10:13, and I'm on my way to LA really quick, but I was hungry and I asked her for ketchup, but she didn't give me any ketchup. Are you serious? She did not give me one ketchup. Oh well. Oh my god, this would have smacked with ketchup. I'm so mad. Okay, there was like hella traffic. It was so annoying, but I'm finally kind of close to one of my destinations, I guess, because before going to where I'm going in LA, I'm gonna stop at Laura's Boutique. They open at 11 and it says I'm gonna be there at 10:56, so I'm not tripping. But y'all can use my code Breanna Vega to save on anything from Laura's Boutique.
Too cocky, oh too precious. I'm too cocky, I know my too cocky. My bitch drive an all white rank. Couldn't hit it if niggas had iron.
Hey everybody.
Hey Bitty.
Currently 5:42 on fucking Saturday morning. And we haven't slept.
Of course, we never sleep. Like, every day we always stay up till this like hour, and like we never do anything. But today we decided to be a little active or whatever.
Or whatever. So we're like jogging Mount Rubidoux. Oh, no. Oh, but we're jogging Mount Rubidoux because for some reason we think we're fit or whatever, but we probably won't even make it half the way.
I'm tired as fuck already.
Yeah, like
I'm tired already. Like, there's hella people here. There was like a church group, a fucking recruitment center.
Literally. We was all scared because there's been like human trafficking. I really had to point the camera. There's like human trafficking situations going on in like the IE.
In our area?
Yeah, in our area of like living. So we're just very aware of our surroundings now.
We were a little scared to come, but here we are.
Hey BB.
I'm good. I forgot to say. Yes, my teeth. I bet I tried to run.
I know, like, who is she? I thought the view was pretty, but then I saw
we
her.
headed to the top so we could get a better view.
You like, literally.
Up the country. Tell me why. Okay, we're jogging right now, right? And there has been like reports of like the human trafficking and like predators in our area. So we were like scared to come up here, and then we were like, okay, let's make like a code word just in case like a predator does come. And we're like, alright, we're gonna be like, the pancakes are burning.
Bitch, pancakes are burning. Flip them, bitch.
Right now. Like, and then when we were making it, I was like, oh my god, like, I hope we never have to use this. You get me?
Yeah.
And we just fucking used it.
I feel like knowing us, we're gonna use that term so loosely.
Like, oh my god, the pancakes are fucking burnt.
Bitch, they're burnt.